this background is fake. As a YouTube creator, we all wish to make sure that our videos come out well for our viewers to enjoy. Being creative should be part of your plan. I've come to understand that a lot of people would have started their YouTube channel, but because of the kind of background they have in their house, they are not able to start. So they just feel like, oh, when I have a good background, I will start. So you need a good background for you to do your video. Now I have come up with this tutorial to teach you how to create a fake background that will look so real, and it's totally for free. You don't need to pay any money for it. So guys, come along with me as I show you how I was able to achieve this very background here. So the first step is that you need a good lighting. Now, you should not do your video in a dark place. Your video should be bright, just as mine is. It should be bright, and that is the first requirement. That being said, let's move straight to the tutorial. Come along with me, let me show you how to create a fake background. So guys, we are going to Google. You just open your Google and the app, and then you click on search. So we are going to search for Freepik. That's the website we'll be using, Freepik. Click on this first one here. Now this is what it will give you. So it says Freepik, create great designs faster, high quality photos, videos, vectors, and the rest. So in this search or assets, all you need to do is when you click on it, you search for the background that you want to see. If it's study room, if it's city room, if it's reception background, if it's classroom, whatever background it is. If it's studio background, you just type it here and then it will come out for you. So I'm going to search for study room. And here we are. So these are photos of study room. As you can see, these are photos of study room. So all you need to do is to scroll down and then look for the one you like, then you download it. Don't forget that YouTube size is 16:9, so you can look for 16:9, or even though it's still bigger than 16:9, you can still download it, and then you use your Capcut app to cut it to that ratio. So just look for the one you like. If you finish searching this place and you don't see the one you like, you can move on to the next page. Let me show you. As you can see, page 1 of 100, that is, it has 100 pages. You can just click on this arrow and it will take you to the next page. That is page 2. So guys, that is that for that. When you see the photo that you like, the background, you click on the photo and you see download, you download it. That's all for that. So guys, the next step is to open your Capcut app, and then you click on new projects, and then you click on photos. So you select the background that you'll be using, and then you click on add. So now that we have the background here, you just drag this background to the number of minutes your video is. Okay, if your video is 10 minutes, you drag it to 10 minutes. So I'm just leaving it here at 42 seconds. So after that, the next thing you will be doing is just click on overlay and then click on add overlay. Then you select the video, move to video, select the video that you'll be using for this tutorial. So we have a video here of 41 seconds. So click on it and click on add. So here we are. Now if you look at this video, it's still having the background. So all we need to do is we are going to remove this background from this video. And for you to do that, you need to click on cut out. Click on it and you see remove background. click on remove background, and here we are. It's already counting, as you can see, 3, 4, like that. So you need to be patient. For if your video is short, it won't take much time, but if your video is long, it will take you time. So you need to be patient for it to count to 100. Just be patient. As you can see, the background was already removed, but it's still counting. So you need to be patient for it to finish counting to 100 before you move on. So guys, let's just wait a bit. Almost ready. 93, 94. Okay, here we are. Background removed. Hope you saw that. So you click on this good sign here, this sign, and then here we are. Here is it. So some people put their own video at the left hand side, some people put their own at the right hand side. So it depends on you. Some people leave their own at the middle. It depends on your choice. So let's say, let me just leave this one. Maybe let me leave it here. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. So this is it, guys. So easy and straightforward. So for me to make this look more real, I'll just click on effects. Let me do some editing on the background. Click on video effects, and then I'll click on blur. So click on this good sign. As a creator on YouTube, so when you click on blur, you just need to drag it also, so it will go around. And okay guys, so here we are. So the next thing we'll do now, you can see the background is very blurry, you can't see anything. So click on adjust. We're going to adjust it. We're still adjusting. It looks so real. Let me play the video for you to see. As a YouTube creator, we all wish to make sure that you are done with this aspect. You save your video. You can save your video, and then you upload. That is all for this tutorial. That is all for this tutorial, guys. It's very, very easy. The only website that you need is Freepik, and the app that you need to edit is Capcut. When you have these two, you are good to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you were able to learn the process, this various step on how you can achieve a fake background for your video. So guys, will you be using this background in your video? Let me know in the comment section. Any question that you have, please write on the comment section, and I will surely respond to your question. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time, same station. Bye.